This is an extraordinarily fun entertainment. Actors and an actress are very trained, show various kinds of entertaining dances, music, songs and short comedies. Vep. Six. 2 3 3. Show. Question mark question mark. Vip live? $90. Amazing. My son and I really enjoyed the show. XDDDD. Interesting and fun. All of us were enjoying the show. Fun for the whole family, kids loved it. KKday app. Tilda. Myeongdong barbecue chicken and beer barbecue chicken myeongtanchim. NANTA. Plus chimek. Hashtag NANTA hash.